Hi, today I'm reviewing Oppo A77 and I'll show you how to add or remove home screen widgets on this device. So just to add the home screen widget to our home screen, we should first hold for a while the home screen with our finger, and then you'll see here widgets icon. So after that, you'll see here all of the applications which widgets we can add. For example, let's select one from this available application. Let's add the calendar widget. Just to add it to your home screen, you should just tap on it, and now we can see that it's automatically added to our home screen. To move widget on the screen or between the screens, we should just hold it and drag it. If you want to resize the widget, by the same way, hold it for a while, and after that you could make it bigger or smaller. And if you want to remove it from the home screen, just hold it and tap to remove icon, then confirm your action by tap to remove widget. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.